Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Hayi wewe South Africa, hayi sinenkinga enkulu engasoze futhi yaxazululeka onye yaba nesisombululo. Bengike ngazinika isithuba ngalokho ngilalela amavidiyo enziwa uMangobese. uMangobese lo wakaZuma uJacinta. Imizamo uyizamile yonke, uyayizama futhi usaqhubeka. Bengiloke ngilalela amavidiyo lapho enxusa khona okanye suke encenga khona abantu ukuthi babe nesupport entweni asuke eyenza yokulwa nalezi zinto ezenzekalayo mayelana nabantu bokufika. Mangaba ngifunda la kuma comment kunabantu otholayo ukuthi baphendula ngale language le esiyikhulumayo la eSouth Africa, okuveza ngakusobala ukuthi kunabantu base-South Africa abangasupporti into esuke yenziwa abantu base-South Africa. And leyo nto leyo iyanyanyisa kakhulu futhi iyacasula. Siyavuma-ke sebekhona abantu bokufika la ngaphakathi ezweni lethu abanampepha benjalo. Kodwa uma ngaba thina bantu base-South Africa singakwazi ukusupportana, uma ngaba sokukhona umuntu obonayo okanye owenza izinto ezenza izwe lethu libuyele esimeni esifanele, singabi nayo support, okusho ukuthi leli zwe leli angeke futhi libuyele esimeni salo sakudala, libe clean ngale ndlela esifuna ngayo. Ngizoqala lapha ekuthaneni ukuthi yithi labantu esivumela ukuthi babe negunya okanye babe nesibindi sokungena ngale ndlela bangena ngayo. Ngizayiqala la kuMastandi lento le. Uyabona, if umphakathi uwonkane awuqali la kuMastandi, kufuna ukuthi mina nguMastandi angizukhuluma ngoMastandi othi yena usenomuntu usemqashisile, kodwa ngizakhuluma ngami njengoMastandi, ngenza umzekelo ngami, ndingakhombi omunye umuntu noba nguyena uMastandi, kodwa ngizenza umzekelo ngami. If mina singuMastandi, kufuneka ngenze sure ukuthi umuntu okhona ejalidini lakwami ngimazi ukuthi lo muntu usibanibani wakabani. Kumele ngenze sure ukuthi lo muntu mayifika ngiyamthatha ngumsa lapha epolice station, ngiyokwenza isigxivazo sokuthi lo muntu uhlala la kwami, usuke endaweni ethile, ubani igama lakhe. Futhi singakugqugquzeli lento sibakhuze uMastandi ukuthi asiyekeni lento yokuthatha nje abantu then singabazi ukuthi banamaphepha okanye abangebenawo. Asenze sure ukuthi banamaphepha, then nathi singakugqugquzeli ukuthi siloke sibafaka emizini yethu, ngoba ukuqhubeka sibafaka emizini yethu sibarentisa, into yonakala lapho. Kufuneka thina isizwe njengamanje siyiqale lapho lento le program yokulwisana nabantu bokufika, ukuthi abahambe bayokwenza amaphepha then bebese bebuya kahle ngendlela efanele. Wonke umuntu ongena le-South Africa siyamazi ukuthi unama-document wakhe amvumelayo ukuthi abe khona la. Uzokwenzani manje? Uthi uMangobese uyakhuluma lapho esuke ekhuluma khona, mhlawumbe ku-TikTok efake izinto zakhe lapha, abantu bamthuka bathi unenhliziyo embi, uwumgodoyi, unenzondo. Uthuka yibo labantu abakhuluma le language yethu, okufanele ngabe ulwa nabo, bayamnika isupport yokuthi siphuma kanjani kule situation. But if asimsupport, angeke siphume kule nto esibhekene nayo njengamanje. Ngo-2013 lapha eVernaging Sharpeville, mhlambe umuntu oke wahlala lapha eSharpeville ungangifakazela, kukuba nomkhankaso ukuthi bona balwa kanjani nalabantu bokufika. okanye baphuma kanjani kulento yabantu bokufika bagcwele country. Baye bathi isitoro nesitoro kumele sibe nebhuku elishoyo ukuthi mina ndumhlali wase-South Africa engineroom, angisezuvumela umuntu ukufika ngumqashise kwami, ngiyazibophezela, ngiyasayina. Nakanjalo bakwenza lokho, babesayina esitoro nesitoro, umuntu wayefika aqasha athi nginabaqashi mina kwami abokufika, so singeza sizobakhipha, ningeza sizobakhipha. Kwakunalo mkhankaso nje unjalo. If namanje kungenziwa ngalo ndlela, mhlambe ingaba khona i-order, ngoba if abekho ukubuka amastandi labantu, obvious bazokwenza imikhukhu lapho uhulumeni ezaba negunya khona lokuthi laba abantu bahleli lapha emikhukhwini ngokungemthetho, then akhambe ayovandalize la mikhukhu abasuke behleli kuyona, ngoba bathatha indawo ongasiyona yabo. But thina uma siphinda siqhubeka sibafaka la kulamajalidi wethu ezindlu zethu lezi sinazo lekhulu, baningi abantu bakhona e-KZN, baphuma e-KZN bayazifuna izindlu, bayafuna ukuqasha izindlu. Akekho umuntu othanda ukuhlala emkhukhwini osuka e-Eastern Cape nobe suka e-KZN nobe suka eLimpopo efika la eGoli. But ngenxa yokuthi sebebaningi nakumastandi bakhona, baqashile vele baningi, ayikho into esesingayenza. Kodwa uma ngaba siwumphakathi sithi thina ngumastand mina, bakhona abantu balapha abahlala lapha kwami, ngicela senze iplani sibakhipheni, okanye ngithi nami angisamfuni umuntu wokufika ejalidini kwami, ingacontroleka leli, singamsupport uLondozo, uJacinta lo, uMangobese nabanye abalwana nalento le. Bese ngiphinde ngena la emsebenzini, begcwele kangaka nje emisebenzini beyithathile, yingoba thina bantu abamnyama asizifuni izikhundla, siyasaba ukuba seyikhundleni. Sinawo amaphepha asivumelayo ukuthi sikwazi ukuba seyikhundleni, sinabo amaphepha okuba sibe ama-supervisor, but lezo zikhundla sizifuni, siyazibalekela. Labantu-ke laba bazazithatha-ke lezo yikhundla lezo, ngoba abanalo uvalo lokwenza lento abasuke beyifuna ngaleso sikhathi. Uyabona labantu bokufika uma ngaba uke wangena esikhundleni, same time into ayenzayo ubiza ukuqala wakubo amfaka. But owase-South Africa uma ekwenzekile waba nesibindi sokuthatha isikhundla sokuba imanager noma sokuba yisupervisor emsebenzini, into ayenzayo ugijimisa imali kuqala. Akanandaba nokuthi la kule ndawo yami kumele kuqala ngiprioritize abantu basekhaya. Angisho ukuthi mangithi abantu basekhaya ngikhuluma ngama-relatives wakhe. Into engikhuluma ngayo ngisuke ngikhuluma ngabantu abasuke beyindabuko yezwe lakhe, abazalelwe khona la kule country yakhe. Uma phinde singenza njalo, sithathe izikhundla emisebenzini, ngeke sihlale sikhuluma ngalento ukuthi imisebenzi ayikho. Ngeke sihlale sikhuluma ngalento ukuthi silawulwa abantu bokufika emsebenzini yethu, ibona baphela. If nina nithatha izikhundla bese niprioritize abantu bake makini, angisho izihlobo zenu, ngisho abantu bokuzalelwa ezweni lenu. Bese phinde sibuya futhi size kosisi bethu. Osisi bethu uma beqhubeka bejola nalabantu baphinde babazalela izingane, obvious izingane ezinganama-document zizaqhubeka zibakhona, ngoba nalo baba lo ozalisele intombazana yake eSouth Africa, obvious usenegunya lokuhlala lapha ngoba unengane futhi anayo nentombazana yase-South Africa. Usezaba nepower yokubeka izwi ngoba unomntwana amzalile la kusisi wethu owala eSouth Africa.
A South African man has decided to also share ways that we can also help uJacinta to achieve what she is fighting for, okay? Which obviously the fight is against illegal immigrants, yes. So he was saying something that was actually in my mind for the longest time, and this is, instead of hiring those foreigners, why don't you just stop hiring them? Instead of renting your properties to them, why don't you just stop renting out your properties to them? Because obviously you can just imagine, if I don't have a place to stay, if I don't have a job, guess what? I will go back home. I will go back home just like anyone, a South African, maybe based in Cape Town, while coming from maybe Jozi, right? Or Bulukwane, wherever they come from on Mpumalanga, right? And then if it happens that the job has ended, the contract has ended, guess what they will do? And they have no any income. They will go back home. I think that's the best way to solve this problem without being violent, without being, because violence is not solving anything. In fact, if there is one thing that it is doing, it is making South Africa to look really, really bad, not good. Right. But if you deal with it in this manner to say, okay, we are not going to rent out our properties to any foreigner, illegal foreigner, or we are not going to hire any illegal foreigner. There is no way that I can stay somewhere where I don't have a shelter and I don't have money to provide for me and my family. There is no way. This is the best way, the best way.